wants to go first?
He heard cameras and he left.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm
Get
rolling
right
now.
here. You get nervous? Hey, makeup guy. Look.
He's cool, ain't he?
Hi, doggy. You see that?
That's Ahmed for y'all that.
We in Jay Leno's house.
You guys are gonna look basically at that little microphone right above the lens.
You got your little.
You look like
trapeze
some kind
on
of
that
movie
thing?
star in them glasses.
Like right here.
AKA too.
Yeah.
I don't have an AKA. Was that part of?
That's part of it.
Had a tripod?
Huh?
I didn't know
Where'd
that.
Carter go?
Dang.
Y'all suck. My name is Travis Harvey, AKA Professor T.
What do you do?
I do everything. You know what I do. Everything.
Well, we'll see about that. Come check us out on September the 7th from 6 to 9 p.m. at our shop in Greenville, South Carolina. We're having a cruise in to benefit North Greenville Food Crisis Ministry. It'll be a canned food drive to help them out. Come out and see us at Creative Rods.